Hey guys, Rajiv here from Financial Hub India. So just a quick update on the gold trade here. Right now I have a gold 60-minute time frame chart here, and in gold 60-minute time frames I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines drawn here. But for now, to start with the analysis, I want you to focus just on this line and this line, these two green lines. That's it. Alright, then I'll come into these 3 lines afterwards. So if I talk about these 2 lines, let me show you where did I get these lines from. So if you see, the price went up from this level to this level, and then again price coming back down to this level here again. Alright, so this makes a flat market structure over here. Then price again goes back up to the previous level of resistance here. Alright, and then the price coming back down here, and but this time price failed to move up to this level of support here. But even though price failed to move this level of support here, but since we got 2 points here, it automatically creates a flat market structure overall in this place. So we have a flat market structure going on in this, and here price were able to move above this overall channel here with a breakout momentum, but eventually we can see that price really failed to hold above this level of resistance, or you can say above this trading channel here, and eventually price came back down inside this overall channel here. So since price came back down inside this overall channel, then we can say, okay, we are now going to hit the bottom of the channel here. In terms of channel trading, alright, we all know that when there is a channel here, price going back up and down, up and down, up and down, and it goes back up and fails to hold the breakout momentum and coming back down back into the channel, then we always play for the bottom of the channel here. Alright, anyhow, in between there are some more things to discuss, like if we have a key level or something like that in between, then we'll have to consider those key levels as well before we consider the bottom of the channel. The same thing also happened in here also. We are not afterwards we'll see we are not really considering the bottom of the channel here as our ultimate support target. Before this comes, we have these levels to consider as well. Alright, so now we understood this line and this line. Okay, now where this line comes from, this green line. Alright, and for me this level of support is more important than actually this level of support here. So let me explain you that part, why it is so. If you see the overall sell-off pressures here, each time you see price sold off with strength like here, a heavy sell-off, where the price stops here. Again, from the top, you can see again some heavy sell-off here. Alright, back-to-back heavy sell-off candles, selling strength we can see, heavy sell-off pressure we can see. Again, price stops where? Here. Again, from here to here, some more heavy sell-off pressures here, where the price stops on this level. So each time the selling strength is failing to go beyond this level of support here. So each time we can see that the buyers are really able to hold 1275 level of support over here. So logically it should be considered as a key level of support, isn't it? So I explained you the overall things are happening inside this gold chart here. So now let me go ahead with the current activity I'm really keeping my eyes on, and that is the red lines you see here, these 2 red lines. So these 2 red lines are coming from this level here. Even though in hourly time frame this level, the reason of drawing these levels are not clear, so I'll take you in my 15-minute time frame chart and I'll show you why I've drawn these 2 lines over here. I think it will be more clear in a 5-minute time frame. So let's go into the 5-minute time frames here. So see, the price was moving up, making higher highs and higher lows, and then we have a level of resistance here, and the same level of resistance reacted right over here, and then we can see the price has broken out above this level of resistance here, taking support from here once, 2, 3rd time, and then again 4th time, and then again 5th time here. Alright, so eventually this level of support becomes a key level of support here, isn't it? Since we have multiple order flows from here, then here, so many order flows are happening right over there. So I feel like in case I get a breakdown below this, then I would be trying to go for some selling opportunities, and I would be targeting, you know, the 60-minute time frame support area. All right, so it will be like price came back down in a higher time frame, then pulled back up for a retracement, then coming back down if it happens. All right, so using the 5-minute time frame support level, this level here, let me just zoom in. So anytime I get a breakdown of this support level and something to, and some sign to go ahead with a sell signal, then I would be riding that sell signal for a target of this support level. All right, and I already explained you why really I'm going for this support level here. Okay, in case I get a breakout towards the upside, all right, then I would be riding that breakout. So again, coming back to the 15-minute time frame chart, 5-minute time frame chart. In a 5-minute time frames, you know, we are really stopping to go up. This is the highest high in this overall up move or uptrend, you can say, and then price again continued its momentum up, but you can see the price really failed it here. Again, price really failed it here, so price is really struggling to go above this level of resistance here, and we can see multiple order flows. So many order flows are happening on this 1281 level of resistance here. So any breakout above this level of resistance around 1281, right, and we get something to ride this breakout trade towards upside, then we will be getting to this trade, and our target will be, based on the hourly time frames, this channel stop resistance, which comes around 1288 level. Okay, so that's what we are tracking here, and once we get a breakdown or a breakout, then in between these two key levels, whatever levels we can get from the, we will try to dig some more trades using some key levels in the lower time frames, like, you know, 15 minutes or 5-minute time frames, to trail our stop losses, or maybe adding up some more positions in it. All right, so far in these two key levels, I can see this level can come into the picture once we start trading above 1281 level of resistance here, and the same thing would be happened towards downside also. Once we start trading below this level of support here, then till the time price reaches to this level of support, we can dig into some, we can dive down to some more lower time frames to get some key levels, and to use those key levels for trailing a stop loss or adding more positions in that. All right, so that's what I'm tracking here. I feel like this should be an interesting trade, so I'll see you guys if I get something into this, and I'll update you guys accordingly here. Thank you.